Understanding flathead syndrome, what every parent should know. As a parent, it's natural to be concerned about your baby's health and development. One condition that often raises questions is flathead syndrome. Flathead syndrome, also known as plagiocephaly, is a common condition that affects babies. It can be worrying to see your baby's head not developing in a perfectly round shape, but understanding the causes and treatments can help ease those concerns. It occurs when a baby's soft skull develops flat spots from prolonged pressure. This pressure can come from various sources, and knowing them can help you take preventive measures. This pressure can happen in the womb, during birth, or most commonly from how a baby sleeps or rests. Babies spend a lot of time lying on their backs, especially in the first few months, which can lead to these flat spots. Imagine a soft, moldable pillow. If you consistently lay it on one side, it will eventually take on that shape. Similarly, a baby's skull is very soft and moldable in those early months. If you consistently lay it on one side, it will eventually take on that shape. This is why it's important to vary your baby's position regularly. A baby's skull is similar in those first few months. It's soft and can easily change shape based on the pressure applied to it. This is a natural part of their development, but it requires careful attention. While it might seem alarming, flathead syndrome is often easily treatable and preventable with early intervention. Pediatricians can provide guidance on how to manage and correct this condition. The good news is that flathead syndrome is typically a cosmetic concern and doesn't affect a baby's brain development. Your baby's cognitive and physical milestones will continue to progress normally. However, early detection and simple measures can help prevent and correct it, ensuring your baby's head develops a nice, rounded shape. Techniques such as repositioning, using special pillows, and in some cases, corrective helmets, can be very effective. Remember, each baby is unique, and their development journey is a testament to their individuality. Celebrate their milestones and cherish these early moments. If you have concerns, don't hesitate to consult your pediatrician. They are there to support you and your baby every step of the way. One effective way to prevent flathead syndrome is by incorporating tummy time into your baby's daily routine. Tummy time not only helps in preventing flat spots, but also strengthens your baby's neck, shoulder, and arm muscles. Additionally, alternating the direction your baby's head faces while they sleep can help distribute pressure more evenly. Simple adjustments like these can make a significant difference. Holding your baby in different positions throughout the day can also help. When you're feeding, carrying, or playing with your baby, try to vary their position to avoid prolonged pressure on one part of their head. Using a baby carrier can be beneficial as well. It allows your baby to be upright, reducing the time spent lying on their back and giving their head a break from constant pressure. Ultimately, the goal is to ensure your baby is comfortable and healthy. By being proactive and informed, you can help your baby develop properly and avoid flathead syndrome. Enjoy these precious moments with your little one, knowing you're doing everything you can to support their growth and development. Keep track of your baby's development and don't hesitate to seek advice from healthcare professionals. They can provide personalized recommendations based on your baby's specific needs. Sharing experiences with other parents can also be helpful. Parenting groups and classes can offer support and practical tips from those who have gone through similar experiences. Remember, parenting is a journey filled with learning and growth. Embrace each step and know that you're not alone. With the right knowledge and support, you can navigate any challenge that comes your way. Your baby's well-being is the most important thing, and by staying informed and proactive, you're giving them the best start in life. Enjoy these moments and cherish the joy that comes with watching your baby grow and thrive. Safe sleep for little ones. The importance of back to sleep. Ensuring that your baby sleeps safely is one of the most important responsibilities for new parents. The Back to Sleep campaign has been instrumental in educating parents about the safest sleep practices for infants. When it comes to your precious newborn, 0 to 2 months old, back sleeping is non-negotiable. This simple practice can make a significant difference in your baby's health and safety. By placing your baby on their back for every sleep, you are taking a crucial step in protecting them. Placing your baby on their back for every sleep is crucial for reducing the risk of sudden infant death syndrome, or SIDS. SIDS is a devastating event, and research has shown that back sleeping can significantly lower the risk. Pediatricians and health experts strongly recommend this practice. This sleep position allows for clear airways and better breathing. When a baby sleeps on their back, their airways remain open, reducing the chances of suffocation. It's a simple yet effective way to ensure your baby breathes comfortably throughout the night. However, this constant backsleeping can increase the risk of flathead syndrome. Flathead syndrome, or positional plagiocephaly, occurs when a baby's head develops a flat spot due to prolonged pressure on one area. While it can be concerning, there are ways to manage and prevent it. But fear not, there are simple ways to encourage a rounded head shape while keeping your little one safe. Regularly repositioning your baby's head during sleep and incorporating supervised tummy time when they are awake can help. Tummy time not only helps with head shape but also strengthens your baby's neck and shoulder muscles. Remember, always place your baby on a firm, flat surface, such as a crib mattress covered with a fitted sheet. A firm mattress provides the necessary support for your baby's developing body and reduces the risk of suffocation. Ensure the fitted sheet is snug and secure to avoid any loose fabric. Avoid soft bedding, pillows, or toys that could obstruct their breathing. While it might be tempting to make the crib cozy with soft items, these can pose a serious risk. Keep the crib free of any objects that could potentially cover your baby's face or interfere with their breathing. Your baby's safety and well-being are paramount. By following these safe sleep practices, you can create a secure environment for your little one to rest and grow. A well-rested baby is a happy baby, and ensuring their safety during sleep is a vital part of their overall health and development. Trust in these guidelines and give your baby the best start in life. Alternating head positions, preventing pressure for your newborn. While back sleeping is crucial for reducing the risk of sudden infant death syndrome, SIDS, varying your baby's head position is key in those first 2 months. This helps prevent the development of flat spots on the back of their head, a condition known as positional plagiocephaly. Gently alternate which side your baby's head faces each time you lay them down. This simple action can make a significant difference in your baby's head shape and overall comfort. One night, position their head to the right, and the next night to the left. Consistency is key, so make it a habit to switch sides regularly. This simple switch reduces continuous pressure on one spot, encouraging a more rounded head shape. Over time, this practice can help ensure that your baby's head develops symmetrically. Think of it as giving equal tummy time to each side of their head while they sleep. Tummy time is also essential when your baby is awake and supervised, as it strengthens their neck and shoulder muscles. You can further encourage head turning by placing a rolled-up receiving blanket under one side of your baby's back and hips, alternating sides with each sleep session. This gentle incline can help your baby naturally turn their head to the opposite side. Remember, never place anything directly under their head. Keeping the crib free of loose objects, pillows, and soft bedding is crucial for your baby's safety. A firm mattress with a fitted sheet is all they need for a safe sleep environment. By following these simple steps, you can help ensure your baby sleeps safely and comfortably, while also promoting healthy head development. Regularly check on your baby to make sure they are in a safe position and adjust as needed. Educating yourself on safe sleep practices and head positioning can make a big difference in your baby's early development. There are many resources available, including books, online articles, and advice from your pediatrician. Don't hesitate to reach out to your healthcare provider if you have any concerns or questions about your baby's sleep habits or head shape. They can provide personalized advice and support to ensure your baby is healthy and thriving. With a little attention and care, you can help your newborn develop a healthy head shape and enjoy safe, restful sleep. Your efforts in these early months will contribute to their overall well-being and development. Section 4. Tummy Time Triumphs. Encouraging healthy development. Once your baby reaches 2 to 4 months old, tummy time becomes their new best friend. This essential activity, supervised of course, helps strengthen neck, shoulder, and back muscles, all crucial for motor development and yes, preventing flathead syndrome. Aim for several short sessions of tummy time throughout the day, gradually increasing the duration as your baby grows stronger. Start with a minute or 2 and gradually work your way up to longer periods. Tummy time isn't just about muscle development, it's a sensory playground for your baby. Place colorful toys just out of reach to encourage them to lift their head and strengthen those neck muscles. Section 5. Side-lying adventures. Expanding your baby's world. Supervised side-lying is another fantastic way to engage your baby and offer a break from back sleeping during their awake hours. When your baby is between 2 to 4 months old, gently position them on their side, ensuring their back is well supported. This position offers a fresh perspective on the world, encouraging them to use their neck and back muscles differently. It also takes pressure off the back of their head, further preventing flat spots. Remember, side lying should only be done under your watchful eye and never during sleep. Your baby's safety is paramount and constant supervision is key.